This is my behind the scenes of a UGC video. This company had sent me this tripod, and they sent it to me for free, so I don't pay for it. In exchange, they wanted an Amazon review video. So if you do click the link below, then I get the money, blah, blah, blah. And I like it. I mean, I pretty much prefer a real tripod. As you can see here, I went down to the beach and I was trying to make some videos with it. But when you get a little bit top heavy like you do with my phone, then, well, it doesn't always balance the way it should. Now, they sent this to me back in, it might have been May. So by the time I actually got to making the video, well, today is June 20th, and I actually uploaded it today. It took a heck of a long time to get this video done for some odd reason, even though it's a really simple video for me to make. I think the delay was that I just found the product kind of boring. I mean, these little tripods, they're pretty much a dime a dozen. This thing's like 20, 25 bucks. So for me to get the ambition to use the tripod itself to make the video, that's what took the long time to make it. Though I did post on Amazon, I hope that it gets lots of clicks and lots of links and lots of sales. And when I start using the tripod, it works fine. It's just, it's a little bit big. It's a little bit phallic, if that's a word. So I've been having more fun just kind of handing the tripod off to people than I actually have actually using the tripod. So that's kind of like my little behind the scenes on how I made it here. I did use it for quite a bit. I use it for a lot of stuff, but this isn't the kind of tripod I'm going to throw in my bag and take on a trip when I actually want to make a video. So that's it. Thanks for watching.